Introducing the world's first wireless hitch connector. Created by a tradesman for those frustrated with perpetually exposed, dangling, tangled wiring. A few of its astonishing features include patented design that protects all wiring from environmental exposure, a specialized hitch ball that is non-corrosive and wear-resistant in extreme weather conditions, an ingenious connection system that replaces traditional and vulnerable pin connector systems with more reliable gold-plated electrical tracks, nylon composite collars, exclusively engineered for high performance and durability, house the electrical wiring on the coupler and the receiver. A one-time installation eliminates all wiring vulnerabilities. Simply drop the outfitted coupler onto the outfitted receiver, latch, and go. Additionally, the connector system is equipped with coupler standoffs, which acts as a critical breaker fuse in case of a crash, engineered to eliminate the expense of replacing the entire connector system. Created to withstand temperatures as low as -52 degrees Fahrenheit and as high as 190 degrees Fahrenheit, can withstand snow, sleet, rain, dirt, and salt. Minimal maintenance required. It can be submerged in water without shorting. The connector mounted on the receiver is outfitted with a zero-compression stainless steel spring. When the coupler is latched on, the spring follows the coupler's swivel up to 150 degrees. Tested and approved for Class 2 and 3 towing and approved for up to 10,000 pounds of towing. The TransitOwl Scorpion Hitch Connector revolutionizes the towing industry. Created for tradespeople, boaters, landscapers, RV owners, shippers, fleet managers, movers, and more. The future is wire-free. The TransitOwl Scorpion Hitch Connector is the future. If you are ready to go wire-free and to drop it, latch, and go, contact us today.